Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to if you want to book an online tarot learning workshop and numerology workshop with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes guys, take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so this is the reading for the month of July, and this is the last zodiac which I am doing the reading for. This is the Aquarius. Okay, so yes. Okay, related to career, romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with you, Aquarius. Okay, I hope this is visible to you guys. Okay, I hope guys this is visible to you. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on in the part of romance. Wow. Okay, Aquarius. Okay, so romance, there is a lot of confusion. Okay, you are going through a lot of confusion, Aquarius, when it comes to a romantic part of your life. Okay, wait a minute guys. So guys, okay, in the part of romantic life, so you have a strength card, two of swords, judgment, the emperor, and two of wands. Okay, so I think you are going through some sort of confusion when it comes to your romantic love life. I think you are in distance with your partner right now, and you are looking for some sort of reconciliation or a reunion. Okay, you want to patch up with your person and you are regaining your strength back. Okay, when you are regaining your power, your authority back into your life, and now you know you feel some sort of confusion related to taking a decision of a reconciliation or not. Okay, so there is something going on between that, whether you want to stay into this relationship or you want to move forward into your life. That is the confusion, but you will be soon making a decision. You are at the crossroads, Aquarius. Okay, into your romantic love life in the month of July. Yeah, do not worry about it, because you will be I know you are going through some mental issues, like weird energies right now. You're sad, depressed, lonely. Yeah, I can see that, guys. Okay, take whichever part resonates with you: romance, career, relationship and finance, and leave the rest. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, into your career life. Okay, you are sad, depressed and worried a lot about your career life. You have a stuck energy. You don't know how to move forward into your life, into your career. Okay, and you have some sort of fearful energy. You are really stuck up. You are really sad and you are really worried about your career life, and you have a lot of stuck up energy. But do not worry about it, because there is some sort of a tower is falling down. That means a change is coming into your career life. Okay, something big news, some huge news will be coming soon into your career life. Okay, so do not worry about it. There will be new offers will be coming into your career life. Okay, once this cycle, you are going through some major shift, major changes, major karmic cycle, let that come to an end, and once that comes to an end, then you will be moving forward into your life with that particular offer which will be offering to you, which will be offered to you after this cycle comes to an end. That offer will be um, coming into your life. Okay, that offer will not be a normal offer, it will be changing your career life. Okay, so do not worry about it, guys. Okay, so yeah, but you have a lot of stuck energy into your career. You don't know how to proceed further, whether to proceed further or whether to move back. You have a lot of confused energy, weird energy. You don't know how you want to proceed now. Okay, so yeah, and I can understand that. Okay, so guys, in the part of your love life, okay, you're going through some major transformation. You're going through major transformation here also, like in career also. There's some major shifts, major changes are about to happen, and that shift will happen between 29th of July to 31st of July. Okay, so in the month of August there will be new cycle will be starting. Karmic cycle is coming to an end, and that's why you are feeling sad, depressed, worried at the same time, because this energy creates a lot of panic attacks also, suicidal thoughts also. Okay, so do not worry about it. Okay, that is happening because of this retrograde season. Okay, so this cycle, once this cycle comes to an end, there will be new opportunity and a new beginning will be happening into your career life. Okay, and into your relationship. Okay, relationship is all about, you are going through some major rebirth. You are waiting for some to send some sort of message to your partner. You are gaining a clarity when it comes to this connection. You are ready to take an action now. Before you were not prepared. Okay, but now you are ready to remove all the obstacles which is coming into this connection. This part is only for the people who are into relationship or who are married. So single people, stay away, okay, from this part, just this love life. Okay, so you are waiting to give some sort of offer to this person. You want to send some sort of message via social media platforms, email to this person. You are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this connection, because you are going through some major rebirth, and now you are starting within yourself. You are actually trying to realize the importance of this connection. Okay, you also are trying to remove all the obstacles, and you are ready to take an action towards this connection, because you want an happily ever after into this connection. Okay, you are waiting for some sort of new beginning. Okay, but because of some reason, you cannot move forward into your life. That's the problem. Okay, there might be the issue of this pandemic which is going on, and you want to travel to this person, but you cannot. Then that might be an issue. Okay, but yeah, you want a new beginning, and you are gaining a clarity and ready to take an action towards this person. Okay, so yeah. Okay, wow. Okay, so in the part of your finances, okay, if your finances were imbalanced, okay, those will be balancing by itself. Okay, there will be justice happening. There might be few Aquarius people who might be dealing with a divorce, or who might be dealing with some legal court issues. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Okay, so justice will be served to you. Okay, and if not that, if you are not going through a court case, then definitely there is some issues with karmic cycle. So karmic cycle will be you will get a justice when it comes to your past life karmas. Okay, this month, and there will be equal give and take after that, because you will be regaining your power back. And yes, major karmic cycle is ending, because we have two cards of cycles, the high priestess and justice. Okay, so major karmic cycle will be ending this month. Okay, between 29th to 30th, as I said, 31st. Okay, so you will be regaining your balance back when it comes to your financial issues. You will be regaining your power back, and then you will be having a stability into your financial part. You will be having a really stability when it comes to your relationship part, and you will be regaining your power back when it comes to your intuition level as well. Like you will be understanding the things which you are supposed to do. Okay, so do not worry about it. It's all good. You are just going through some major shifts, major karmic cycle is happening. Okay, so do not worry about it, because we have three major cards for karmic cycle. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so do not worry guys. Okay, yes. Oh god, I've got 3 cards. Generally I take 2 cards, but in yours I got 3 cards. See guys, you are going through some major shifts. Okay, so you are going through some healing right now. Okay, healing when it comes to internally. Okay, you are being patient enough, but at the same time you are going through some internal healing, internal transformation. Okay, and you are understanding the facts of life, the you are understanding the reason why we live here, and you are understanding the major meanings of life. Okay, with temperance card. Okay, okay, so let me keep it here because I am unable to do. Okay, the second is wheel of fortune. So the karmic cycle, the major shifts, major shifts, major changes. So the karmic cycle is coming to an end. Okay, this has been going from last so many days, so many months, so many years. Okay, so the past life karmas are coming to an end this month. Okay, karmic cycle will be ending. So if your finances were not good, those will be coming to an end. If your relationships were not good, those will be coming to an end. Okay, so major positivity is coming. Okay, so if your relationship, if you were dealing with a karmic partner, so those cycles will be coming to an end. If you are dealing with a twin flame connection, you guys will be reconciling, Aquarius. Okay, so understand those things. So this has many meanings, different meanings. Okay, you will be shining bright as a star. Okay, you are going through some major healing, and sun is all about Aquarius. Okay, so you are going through some major internal transformation, internal shit right now for sure. Okay, so yes, major transformation, major shifts, definitely I'm getting it. Wow, you are really disappointed. You are really disappointed right now. You are having a weird energy. You are feeling confused, stuck at the same time. You are feeling very numb about certain situations right now which is going on into your life currently. Okay, you are not really feeling good. Okay, and I know that. So yeah, so just go with the flow right now. Let this karmic cycle comes to an end. Okay, do not worry about it, that will end. And once this end, there will be major positivity into your life. Okay, let this karmic cycle comes to an end. Okay, so I really want you to let this major karmic cycle comes to an end, guys. Okay, and if you are juggling between 2 choices, to connection, to decisions, those things will also be coming to an end. Okay, so also think with your mind. Okay, if you were thinking, if you were very emotional in the past, think with your mind now. Okay, don't think with your heart. Take decisions with your mind. Okay, some of you might be feeling very lazy. Okay, and but do not worry about it. But yeah, some of you might be thinking to go on a vacation, to go on a traveling. Okay, to go for a some new place, new destination you would like to explore. Okay, you just want to travel somewhere. Yes, and you have to check, you have to be careful when it comes to the people around you, politics. Okay, some people might be playing a politics, okay, behind your back. So you need to take care of those people around you. Okay, be aware of it. Okay, because those energies are negative and those are not really good. Okay, so yes. Okay, so yes guys, I think wow, so we have got 4 cards actually. Beautiful. I'll be reading all of them. Okay. So the first healing message of fear. Right now you might be feeling very very fearful as well. So your message, I'll read. Okay. So here is the message. I now learn from past disappointing relationships so I can release the anger, sadness and move on to the more fulfilling ones. Okay. The second healing message for sadness. I am able to see things through a difficult perspective and I clearly communicate what I see to others. Okay. The third healthy message for goals. My ability to support myself in the outer world is a reflection of my mental, emotional, and spiritual consciousness. The healing message for healthy relationship. To change, to grow, and to expand in my life, I lovingly accept help. Okay, so guys, I would just say I just want to say one message also. You guys might be also going through some sort of shit internally right now. You must be feeling blocked right now. Okay, okay, and I wanted to tell you something really important, which was, I was getting a channel message from spirits. Okay, I forgot, but yeah, some sort of, yeah, if you might be getting dreams of your past person, okay, nowadays, because this is a retrograde season. So some of you might be, dealing with the past person, or past might be trying to come back into your life. They might be pinging you or messaging you, or else you might be missing them, or you might be getting dreams of your past person. Okay, because this is a retrograde season, so this is normal that past will try to come back into your life, or you will start getting dreams of your past. Okay, so this might happen for you guys. Okay, so do not worry about it, because this is as just as normal as it is. Okay, but guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading Aquarius with me, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book private sessions with me, personal readings with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book, online tarot learning 10 days workshop and numerology 15 days workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, because we are really working hard to cross it. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my channel, and kindly ask your friends, family and relatives to subscribe. Okay, and yeah, that's all. Okay, and thank you for all the karma donations you are doing, guys. Okay, so I am grateful to you guys. Okay, see you next time. Kindly do comment down below that how was this reading, did it resonated with you or not. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, guys.